Hello students, welcome. Greetings to all. In last 3 videos, I completed the first lesson of 5th standard, The Strange Land. The Strange Land. In that lesson, you come to know about the Dorothy's adventure, how she tried to go back to her place. Now we move to the poem which is related to that lesson only. The poem name is Children, Children, Don't Forget. Page number 19. Students, all of you take your books and open page number 19. There you can see the page which is displayed on your screen now. Now I will read the poem 2 times. Children, children, don't forget there are elves and fairies yet. Where the naughty hawthorn grows, look for the prints of fairies' toes. Where the grassy rings are green, moonlight dance shall be seen. Watch and wait, oh lucky you, if you find a fairy shoe. For a ransom he will pay, hobbling barefoot all the day. Lay it on a mushroom seat, wish you wish and go your way. If your wish should be discreet, never fear, but he will pay. What it is? Now we will move to the meanings. See here what is happening. What is happening here? See, in here some words are given in the blue color. Some words are given in the blue color. Correct, no? Some words are given in the blue color. That is the words which are tough for you that you can use. Okay. See here in the blue color words are given. Which are the words are there in the blue color? Elves, hawthorn, ransom, hobbling and discreet. These meanings are given in the down. See there. Elf. What do you mean by elf? Elves means what? A small human like a creature with the pointed ears and magical powers. In this poem, elf means a small humans. Small means ಸಣ್ಣ ಆ ಗಲಿವರ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಈಲ್ವ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಹಾಥಾರ್ನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅ ಥಾರ್ನಿ shrub with white and pink flowers, a small dark red berries. ಹಾಥಾರ್ನ್ a type of plant it is. ಹಾಥಾರ್ನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ಲಾಂಟು. ಎಂಥ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟು? shrub. all of you know the types of plants. shrub ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? a small stem. With a small stem, the plant is called shrub. It's not a big one. ಅದು ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಿಡ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಣ್ಣದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ದಾಸವಾಳ ಗಿಡ, ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಗಿಡ ಅದು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗಿಡ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಎಂಥ ಹೂವು ಆಗ್ತಾವಂತ? ವೈಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪಿಂಕ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಹೂವು. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬೇರ್ ದ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ರೆಡ್ ಬೆರೀಸ್. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬೆರೀಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣಾಗ್ತಾವಂತ. That plant is called as hawthorn. Then ransom means something you wanted for the money paid to release someone or something from captivity. ರ್ಯಾನ್ಸಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನನಗಿಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನೀವೇನೋ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನೋ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗಿಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನೀವೇನು ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರ್ಯಾನ್ಸಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹಾಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ. ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾವಕಾಶ ತ್ರಾಸು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಡೆಯೋದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಆಗಿಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು once again I will read the poem. Children, children, don't forget there are elves and fairies at where the naughty hawthorn grows. Look for prints of a fairy toes. Where the grassy rings are green, moonlight dances shall be seen. Watch and wait, oh lucky you, if you find a fairy shoe. For a ransom he will pay, hobbling barefoot all the day. Lay it on a mushroom seat, wish you wish and go your way. If your wish should be discreet, never fear, but he will pay. Dora Owen. Who wrote this poem? Dora Owen. Okay, in this video, children, this much only. Read the poem 2 times, then we will explain about the poem in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.